Don't let cable assemblies constrain your high-density server, storage, AI, or high-performance computing designs. Introducing the 3M multi-channel I/O twin axial cable assemblies, engineered specifically for high-density PCIe 4 and 5 applications and compliant with SFF TA1016 specifications. These twin axial cable assemblies are built with 3M low-loss 85 ohm 31 gauge wires, supporting an extremely tight bending radius for unique configurations in high-density designs. The thin, low-profile cables enable foldable ribbon construction and versatile packaging configurations without compromising signal integrity. Available in standard lengths 0.5, 0.75, and 1 meter, these cables have a current rating of 0.5 amps at 30 volts AC per contact. Designed for reliable performance, they operate within a temperature range of 0 to 70 degrees Celsius and have a dielectric withstanding voltage of 300 volts DC. Custom lengths and pre-folded cable assemblies are available upon request to help reduce labor upon install.